Reggae music is instantly recognizable. Its infectious rhythm and uplifting message have captivated the world. Born in the heart of Jamaica, reggae emerged from ska and rocksteady. These genres pulsed with the spirit of a newly independent nation. Reggae's unique sound quickly spread beyond Jamaica's shores. It carried a message of peace, love, and social justice. This resonated with people from all walks of life. Reggae's lyrics often address political and social issues. They give voice to the oppressed and marginalized. The music is a celebration of life, love, and resilience. It is a call for unity and understanding in a world often divided. The powerful combination of music and message has made reggae a global phenomenon. No discussion of reggae is complete without mentioning Bob Marley. Widely regarded as the king of reggae, Marley's impact transcends music. He became a global icon, a symbol of peace and unity. His music carried a powerful message of love, hope, and resistance. Marley's songs like One Love and Redemption Song became anthems for generations. They promoted peace, understanding, and social change. His music resonated deeply with people from all backgrounds. Marley's lyrics often reflected his Rastafarian beliefs. Rastafarianism emphasizes peace, love, and a connection to Africa. Marley's powerful stage presence and passionate performances captivated audiences worldwide. He used his platform to advocate for social justice and equality. Even after his untimely death in 1981, Marley's music continues to inspire millions. He remains a legend, his message as relevant today as it was decades ago. Bob Marley was the figurehead of reggae's global rise. Yet, numerous other talented artists helped shape the genre. These pioneers laid the foundation for reggae's global success. They continue to inspire musicians to this day. Burning Spear, known for his distinctive vocals and profound lyrics, is a prime example. His music often explored themes of Rastafarianism, African history, and social justice. Peter Tosh, another reggae icon, was once a member of Bob Marley's band, the Wailers. Tosh became known for his powerful voice and militant stance against oppression. His songs challenged the status quo and called for equal rights and justice. Toots and the Maytals brought a unique energy to reggae. Known for their soulful harmonies and infectious rhythms, they are credited with popularizing the term reggae with their hit song, Do the Reggae. These artists, along with countless others, created a rich tapestry of reggae music. They addressed social issues, celebrated life, and spread a message of love and unity. Their contributions to reggae are immeasurable. Their music continues to influence and inspire new generations of artists. Reggae's legacy lives on, carried forward by a new generation of artists. These contemporary musicians continue to push the boundaries of the genre. They experiment with new sounds while staying true to reggae's roots. Chronix, a rising star, is known for his conscious lyrics and modern take on reggae's classic sound. Koffee, a young Jamaican singer, has taken the world by storm with her powerful vocals and uplifting messages. Protoje, another prominent figure in contemporary reggae, is known for his socially conscious lyrics and innovative music production. These artists represent a new wave of reggae music. They are blending traditional reggae elements with contemporary sounds. This creates a fresh and exciting take on the genre. They are using their platform to address current social issues. They advocate for positive change while staying true to reggae's message of love and unity.